I well, I'm just doing myself some onion bargies. I thought I'll just do these for lunch. I've got my Ridgemonkey. I'll just show you. It goes down like that, and it's got a magnetic. The two bits here. There's a magnet in there, and it locks in the handle, so to speak. So, and then what you do, you just turn it over like that, and that's it. So yeah, I'm just doing these for lunch. Got them yesterday in Morrison's. You get 4 for £2. So I got I think these are the onion ones, and in the fridge I've got a different one, different flavour. Hang on a sec, I'll just have a look. Okay, let's just have a look, see what these are. Oh no, these are the onion ones. I don't know what the other ones are. And I've got these butternut squash and spinach croquettes. So I'll do for another day for lunch. The ones in the Ridgemonkey, they're the vegetable pakoras. I don't know what they're like, but I'm sure they look good anyway. I'm sure they'll taste very nice. I'll just put these back in the recycle. I've got the recycle bag here, just full stuff. I'll take it up to the recycle bin. I'm going into town shortly, so I'll dispose of that. It's my car, just parked next to the campervan, and there was a motorhome here, but they left yesterday. The caravan over there. Wi-Fi. Just got the Wi-Fi aerial right next to my van, so that's all good. Another motorhome just over here. Yeah, I can hear them sizzling away, so it should take about 10-15 minutes. I've got them on a low. I'm doing them on the electric ring, as you can see there. I've got 2 gas rings and electric, so it just saves my gas. I've got a full tank of gas. The van comes with a 25 litre underslung gas tank, so I just save the gas whenever I can. This is the gauge up here, tells you I've got a full tank of gas when it's all in green. So then when that's empty, it just goes red. But at the moment, all my cooking mainly is done on electric. Yeah, well, I'm gonna just keep changing it around. I don't want them to burn, because things do quite quickly. You can do bacon, sausages, chops, steak, anything you want in this. You go on Amazon and just search Ridgemonkey. Brilliant bit of kit. They do all sorts. They do cooking pots. This grill, this is the extra large, so if you're ever thinking of getting one, get the XL. It comes with inside comes with a little kit of I'll show you. This is what it comes with. You gotta just flick it out. Get one of these, like you can just use for stirring. Got another one here. A couple of spoons, little labels. I'll turn it over, but it'll all fall out. Yeah, so that all basically, when you get the Ridgemonkey, that all fits inside like that. Comes inside. So yeah, I just keep that in a drawer. It just fits in there. Oh, I enjoyed that. They were good. Yeah, they're very good. I enjoyed them. I'm looking forward to having the onion bargies. I'll probably have those tomorrow for lunch. But yeah, they were very nice. I had some Moroccan spice chutney with it, just to add a little bit of flavour. That was quite good. So I'll just show you. It's just here. I'll put it back in the fridge. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go off now. Head off into Canterbury. Have a little wander around. It's now just coming up to 1 o'clock. It's about 10 to 1. So it gets dark. Well, the nights are starting to get a little bit lighter. The weather's not too bad. It's looking cloudy, but I don't think it's forecast any rain today. So anyway, I'll go and have a little walk, get some steps in, get a bit of exercise, as you do, and I'll catch you guys all later. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, just please hit the like button. By all means, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell as well. Otherwise, when I upload future videos, you won't get the notification. So if you hit the notification bell, that'd be great. Anyway, bye for now. Take care. See you later. Bye.